Hello everybody! Today we're going to be showing you how we make Labaneh, which is a staple to a Jordanian, and honestly I think just a Middle Eastern breakfast in general. It's definitely one of the things you have to serve. So I would describe it as a more savory version of sour cream. It's like in between sour cream and yogurt. So it's kind of sour, and it's a little bit, the consistency is a little bit more thicker than yogurt, so you can eat it with bread. But yeah, this is how we make it at home. You guys can find this in the store, possibly. It'll just say Labaneh on it, but we like to make it because it honestly tastes better and you can get the exact consistency that you want. And everyone is kind of particular. So you're gonna take your 4 cups of yogurt that you had added salt to and put it in your cheesecloth. The longer you leave it in the cheesecloth, the stiffer and harder it's going to get and compact together. And the less you leave it, the more of a yogurt consistency it will stay. So, this is all up to you. I personally like it more runny, but I know that my dad likes it a little bit stiffer, so he can make sandwiches and stuff with it. Instead of just like scooping it up, people usually scoop it up. But yeah, look at that close-up of the water drops. Very nice. So you're just going to strain it, and you can take it out, and you can serve usually with cherry tomatoes, mint, olives. And it's actually really cute seeing how everyone presents it at breakfast. Like if you're invited to breakfast, it's always a fun time seeing how they plate up the labaneh, because I like to make a heart when I do it. My mom here is making a flower. Never seen that before, by the way. So she did this one special for you guys. But yeah, it's just really cute, and it what's the word? You can plate it in a way to make it look so much more appetizing than it is, but just then if you were to just grab it and slap it on the plate. And my dad also likes to cut up cucumbers very finely and add it to it. Look at those chopping skills. That's actually really good. I wish I could chop like that. That's risky though, I feel like. It's like when the pasta comes out of the pasta maker. That's what that looks like. But yeah, chop it all up, and then you can just put that right into the labaneh. And also, funny thing. So in Arabic, labaneh, which is not yogurt, is called labaneh, obviously, but yogurt itself is called laban. So as a kid, I think most kids struggle so much with differentiating like labaneh and laban, and I know I still mixed it up a lot. So it's funny because like sometimes I'll ask my grandma, my grandma will ask me what I want for breakfast, and I'll say, oh, I want laban, and then she'll be like weirded out, but she'll be like, oh, okay, and then so she'll like give me some yogurt, and I'm like confused as well. So be very careful with those. If you want to start speaking Arabic in your house, be very careful about labaneh and laban, because I think that's like one of the most missed words in my vocabulary. But yeah, after you add all of the cucumbers to that, add some dry mint and some olive oil and just mix it. And this is another way to plate it with this blend. And you can eat with any type of bread. You can check out how we made this bread down below. It's super yummy because we're able just to reheat real quick. And yeah, so look how my dad eats it. You usually scoop it up and eat it like that. You can also it's a very nostalgic thing for me, having taken sandwiches of labaneh and za'atar to school. You could also serve this with za'atar. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoy your labaneh. Let us know if you ended up making it at home or just tried it from the store. And that's it. Happy labaning. Bye!